Our 2014 Community Spotlight finalists have gone above and beyond to give back to our community. They make San Diego a better place for all of us to live, work, and play. Rachel Ackerley began the nonprofit Cecily's Closet to spread hope, love, and encouragement to children with special needs and their families. McKenna Barnes founded Minions for Miracles, which donates cupcakes and raises funds for the Ronald McDonald House. Graham Bloom pairs sheltered dogs with veterans suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder through his nonprofit Shelter to Soldier. Rose Greenberg organizes the production of healing dolls to help pediatric patients at Rady Children's Hospital. Eugene Johnson founded Unity Tech, providing youth with safe after-school programs and safe travel to City Heights area schools. Steve Kappas co-founded the Wounded Warriors Tennis Camp as therapy for wounded, ill, and injured service members and veterans. Hernan Luisi Prado founded Workshops for Warriors, helping transition veterans into civilian life through mentoring, training, and education. Bill Miller provides free karate lessons to blind adults and children, helping them gain confidence and feel empowered. Marty Papazian raises funds and awareness for veterans suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder through his film, Least Among Saints. Doreen Quinn is the founder and CEO of North County Trade Tech High School, helping disadvantaged Vista area students get the skills they need for success. Gloria Vasquez helps guide Hispanic youth to make good life decisions through TNT, a program of Amigas.com. Pastor Timothy Winters founded Bayview Charities to strengthen the community through education, health, and economic development. If the world had more people like our Community Spotlight finalists, it would be a much better place to live. We thank them for all they do, working hard to improve the lives of others. Congratulations to the 2014 Community Spotlight finalists.